Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
This is the pre-rain before it starts raining, and then later on it's going to get really rainy. You alright?
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro. Well, it's going to be our first riding day in the Lake District as a group, and I'm quite excited, except from I'm sat in my van because the weather is raining, and it's due to rain all day, and basically we're going to get wet, but we're going to do our best. So our aim today is to go and head off and do the passes. We were going to try and do a little bit of off-roading, but we'll see how the weather continues throughout the day. But most of all, we're going to go and check out some of the really cool passes as a group. Hopefully get Hardknott Pass in. I was there a couple of months ago and it was absolutely out of this world. So we'll see what it's like in this terrible weather, because it is one of the most dangerous passes, and hopefully none of us will slide off the road, get in any trouble, and be perfectly fine. So Mr. Dazza,
yeah,
are you excited about going out for a ride today?
Extremely excited. It's going to be a wonderful day. It's kind of one of those days. Yeah, I'm not getting paid enough for this, you know.
Yeah, but it's worth it. You'll love it.
I need that wasn't. I didn't even do that. Yeah, it's just. I think you need to double my fee out.
Well,
Definitely.
do you not work in the rain? Do you only work in nice sunny climates?
I work a lot better in 30+ degrees. That way.
You can always fly us somewhere nice.
Well, yeah. Thailand would be nice at this time of year.
It would be nice at this time of year.
Nice now in Thailand. Nice temperature.
Yeah, beautiful there. Lovely here as well, though. It's like a sprinkle of rain, so it'll keep us fresh and dandy.
Yeah, but you've got to endure the bad to enjoy the good.
There you go. That's what we're talking about.
British spirit going.
Yeah, this is very British.
Get the whiskey out.
So sidekick, it's going to be a good day, isn't it?
No, it's horrendous out there.
Oh, what?
It is awful.
You've already turned around and said...
What time's the pub opening?
Well, you've already turned around and said that you'll go for a ride, but when it starts raining, you're just going to come back.
Yeah, because this isn't... I've looked at the forecast, and this is the pre-rain before it starts raining, and then later on it's going to get really rainy. So this is just pre-rain.
Well, you're putting on your Michelin Man suit, and you've got your adventure stuff on, and you've got an adventure bike, and we're going to probably do... Well, we are going to do the most dangerous pass in the world.
Yeah.
It's going to be good.
It's really wet. I've never even worn... I've had this years and I've never worn it, and my onesie's coming out today.
Yeah, well, you know, you get to look like me.
We're both going to look like Teletubbies today.
Yeah. Are you going to be Lala or Dipsy?
I like to be Poe, to be honest.
You like to be a Pooh?
Poe.
Okay.
Yeah.
You be Poe, I'll be Lala, and Mr. Dazza, you can be Dipsy.
Just found some Gore-Tex gloves.
Yay! So the sidekick has bought the same size as his clothes, waterproofs, and this is the moment he realises he should have bought 2 sizes too big.
I can already feel it splitting me in half.
Oh, you are going to be in pain today. Come on. Oh.
I think it'll be alright because I'll be on the bike. But as soon as I get off and stand up straight,
You're like a fat person in the sale what's got like 99% off, and they see a top and they're determined it's going to fit them or they're going to get skinny.
I'm getting hot already. I think I might pass out in a minute. Oh, jeez.
It's on.
I've got to do it up yet.
Come on.
Oh.
Is it like a case where we have to sit on it so we can close it?
It'd be alright actually on the bike. It's just when I get off.
Oh, come on. I think it does fit though. Yay! Look how tight that is. There is no pie room in there, is there? Yeah, it doesn't make you look good. Whatever you do in it. Right, let's go, boys. First stop is to get Mr. Dazzler some better waterproofs on our way to the Hardknott Pass. Then we're going to try and tackle it before the storms come in so badly that we don't survive. I reckon our survival rate of the Hardknott Pass currently is about, in this weather, probably 90 survival, 10% it's all over and we go to the pub. I reckon in another hour we're going to be about 50%.
You reckon?
To go straight to the pub, yeah. But hey, we're going to give it a go because we don't give up. We're here for the adventure, not for the pub. Well, we're here for both. Oh.
Well, the pub's definitely more appealing today.
And it's open, and people having breakfast. Anyway, keep going. Oh. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Oh.
Beautiful, isn't it?
What a lovely day, isn't it, eh?
It's that fine mist rain as well, what means it's just going to completely cover our cameras every few seconds.
Yeah.
So the footage what we're going to get is just going to be a blurry mess for everybody back at home.
Yeah. So, and also, are you going to point out that we're now, my centre is RIP in the field?
Oh, that's the point as well. Yeah, everyone will be asking that question, is how are you able now to film and be on comm?
Yeah, so apologies for getting a bit braggy yesterday. But, you know, the centre was annoying and it is RIP in the field somewhere. So we are now back on with your old backup camera, the older centre now, aren't we? I'm using that.
Yeah, you've got the 10C Pro that's only a 1080p and that was my original vlogger camera, but it is the same comms. So happy days, we are back together. Now, it was nice for you to come back yesterday. We should have gone right up there. It was nice for you to come back yesterday and have a man hug and get over it. And but now today, you know, we're back friends and we're going to be out together riding.
Yeah, today's a new day. It would have been nicer if we got a slightly better weather, but, you know, we'll still enjoy it. We're out there on the bikes, we're going to enjoy it and make the most of it. And the scenery is still beautiful though, isn't it? So
yeah, we're in our special, very special, very special
Power
Ranger suit. So I just think, why not, boy? Why not? Well, we found a bike shop, but it doesn't sell bike gear, not waterproofs anyway, but it's a cool shop. Got an old Fizzy in there that's exciting to see, as it was my first ever proper bike on the road. But now Hardknott Pass, eh?
Just going to get some miles smashed out and get it done.
Let's get some miles smashed out. Check you out. You want to smash the miles out?
Yeah, I'm feeling like a hero now. I've got this.
You do, don't you? You feel more protected.
Yeah.
Like wearing a waterproof condom.
Go Power Rangers. What is it they do? Go whoosh. Yeah, something like that anyway.
To that note, shall we go? Well, Psychic.
Yeah, baby.
Look at this.
Yes. It looks
9% hill climb already.
It's really steep and it's wet and it's slippy. You alright? Did you go in there?
Oh, fucking hell.
Oh, mate.
Mr. Dazzler's just
Oh, no, you can see marks of tarmac. Oh, no.
You got him.
Oh.
You alright? Is he alright though?
Yeah, I think you're alright, aren't you? I bet it's in gear still, isn't it? Yeah.
How's the bike?
Got a few marks on it.
Clean your lens. I need to get off, but I can't get off at this angle.
No. Do you want to there's a bit of a car park down here. Should we get down there and just see if it's all made some good marks in the tarmac? I then you've rolled down into the ditch.
So Mr. Dazza, that was scary. Well, let's not lie about it. You came around the bend. What did you say happened? It felt like the rear wheel was starting to go.
Both wheels were going. Both wheels went, and it was just kicking and bucking like that, and I could not stop it on the bank.
It was a hell of a downhill gradient and a bend as well. And then you come off, slid, and then you end up rolling down into a river.
I had no other choice, but because the bike would have followed me on, it would have come in on top of me.
Yeah.
So I had no choice but to lie the bike down and literally just kick off it. And I carried on and ended up in the stream.
Jesus.
But the bike fortunately stayed up on top, so.
There's a bit of damage, isn't there? You've got some damage on your nice exhaust, just here. You've bent your rear brake pedal there as well. Scrape that. To be honest, you're lucky you didn't cause more damage.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. I think it's time for to relax and have a brew. Do you want a hug?
Yeah.
Come and give me a hug. There we go. There we go.
Thank you very much.
Bless you.
I'm more bothered about the bike than me, because I've come out completely unscathed.
Yeah, luckily, to be fair, you went down with a hell of a bang.
But if the bike if I'd have stayed with the bike and it had followed me down the ditch,
Chances
are that could have ended up on top of me. Down a steep ditch, straight off the road and down into a steep ditch with essentially a river at the moment with this weather, and that could have piled down on top of me. So I just had to put it down just lay it down and kick off it. But unfortunately, with the momentum, I carried on down and rolled and ended in the river.